everybody, welcome. We're here at Life Disney and Beyond, back at Disneyland, because why, Katie?
The Matterhorn's reopened.
Yes, Harold is back. They did it was a long refurb.
It was.
And we're gonna go check that out and see what is different, what's new, and just go get reacquainted with Harold and one of our favorite rides.
And of course, we're gonna have fun at Disneyland. Now, if you haven't already, make sure you take a moment real quick and subscribe to Life Disney. That way you get all of your Disneyland fix in the best way possible with us.
That's right. But right now, let's go to Matterhorn.
Oh. Let's go. Boop, boop.
Okay, the CK Holiday has given its signal that it's time to go as well. So we venture back into the original Magic Kingdom. Easiest way to get around to Matterhorn via Fantasyland because of the parade. I wanted to go see the waterfall first, but that's not going to happen because of the parade. But here we go, Castle. Entering Fantasyland, one half of Matterhorn's real estate, because Matterhorn actually lives in two lands. I think they've actually said that it lives in Fantasyland now, but there is a Fantasyland track and a Tomorrowland track.
Yeah, we don't say left or right. We don't say...
Isn't it the only attraction that is in two lands? They may have changed it, but for the longest time, it was in both lands on the maps. It occupied, you know, because there's two sides to it.
There is two sides.
And it's on the border.
Sure.
But I think they've now put it completely in Fantasyland, if I'm not mistaken. Plus, Tomorrowland will be non-existent at a certain point, sadly.
Wow, this just blew my mind right now. There's a lot to process.
Facts, Katie, facts. Okay, making our way across to the new queue. I can see some colors, some new flags.
Barrel's back!
Barrel's back, look!
No way!
So we gotta check Barrel first because Katie didn't think he would be back so soon.
Barrel's back! Oh my god, my little buddy! I'm so happy right now! I feel...
All right, buddy, we're gonna go see your papa in a second. His eyes are looking good too.
I'm so happy to see him.
I know.
I mean, last time it took till springtime till he was back. It's a Christmas miracle, is what it is.
It is. Perfect time to conquer the mountain.
Oh, Spence, look at it.
Look at the new queue. It's just been reworked. It's the same structure.
Yeah, pretty much, but like
the beautiful flags. Wow. Look at that.
Whoa.
This is new right here. This little. That is so awesome. Looking really good. We've got standby on the left, fast pass on the right. And then look at the wait time sign. Same one, but still just great to see it back. 60 minutes. And of course the Glockenspiel. All right, we're gonna hit single rider. Thank you very much. What is behind that I missed? Oh my gosh. How do you say that, Katie?
Alles gut.
Oh, is that all is well? What, all is good? That's what it sounds like. Yes.
Oh, he just rang the bell.
Yeah.
Is there a secret code for the bells?
I don't know, but that is awesome.
What if we just figured out that there's a code for the bells? She's all maybe.
Wow, a lot of good details in the new queue.
It probably means there's crazies in the queue.
Yeah, that's you. There's the footprint. There's Harold's big old footprint. All the new flags. Wow. Looks really good. Thank you. Single rider. Here we go.
Please study the seating diagram just above you. Once in a box there, please stow glasses, cameras, and any other loose items in a secure spot. Then,
Are you excited, Fräulein? Yes? Katie.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, she's in the back. She's gonna get whipped around.
Number 6.
Thank you. All right. Yeah, I'm in the back too. There she goes. So Matterhorn bobsleds was inspired by Disney's Third Man on the Mountain. Walt had gone on location out there to Switzerland and realized he wanted to build his own mountain here at Disneyland. Brand new yellow tabs. They're so bright. Awesome. All right, here we go. Welcome back, Matterhorn. So good to be back on the Matterhorn. Alien Pizza Planet Kitty, it's a better place.
It really is.
Just not sure if you're aware of that.
So not right.
Grabbing a tray. I've come for the seasonal special pizza, which exists over here. And it looks like this is the Space Dip Pizza. I'm grabbing one of those. There she is. I think I want this one. Okay, this pizza smells so good, you guys. Artichoke hearts. Looks like
Red peppers, maybe?
Red peppers, maybe sun-dried tomato.
Something like that.
Just smells amazing.
Spinach, I think?
Possibly.
Investors? Possibly you. Just because of the way you said possibly.
Yeah, spinach? Possibly.
This is first taste test of the...
It's heavy duty. It's like you have to get under it. Like I gotta use my whole hand.
You even got spinach hanging off the side. It's great. It looks really good though. I mean, it smells good. I wish you guys could actually smell how good it smells.
Oh boy.
It's a fragrant aroma of deliciousness. All right.
Warning, very messy. But as we know, things that are messy are usually really good.
Yeah.
And I would say get a fork to get the rest of the stuff.
While he's eating, I am gonna partake in this This came out actually for Halloween for the fall season, but the guy told me when it first came out it was really, really spicy. So it's like not jalapeno-y flavored nacho cheese. It looks like chili, Fritos. Here we go. I really like it. And I'm glad they took the spice level down because that would have just been too much. So Spence is about to try it.
You know why I might try it though?
Because it's cheese?
No, because they're pasta wheels. They're like little wagon wheels.
Oh, or like train wheels?
These are good.
You like it?
Yeah, look at the little wagon wheels you
See,
guys.
thank goodness he's able to eat because I couldn't finish that whole thing.
We will see you next time on Life Disney and Beyond. Bye bye, everybody!